Welcome to the British English Slang Quiz. My name is Jen, and I'm a native English speaker born in Oxford, England. This quiz will put your knowledge of British English slang to the test. Check out my shorts to find the answers you're looking for, where you can learn English words, phrases, and colloquialisms in small bite-sized pieces. Before we begin, here are the rules. The quiz has 5 questions. You'll have 5 seconds to think about each answer. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin. Question 1. If an English person says they're gobsmacked, how do they feel? A. Shocked. B. Angry. C. Upset. D. Happy. The correct answer is A. Shocked. I can't believe he did something so stupid. I was gobsmacked. Question 2. Fill in the blank to complete the sentence. When something goes wrong and not as expected, the British say it's gone shaped. The correct answer is pear-shaped. It's all gone pear-shaped. Question 3. Which animal is associated with cold weather in British slang? A. Cat. B. Donkey. C. Duck. D. Monkey. The correct answer is D. Monkey, as in the phrase, "It's brass monkeys outside." Question 4. A quack in British slang is a very experienced expert doctor. True or false? False. A quack is a charlatan or fraudulent doctor. Question 5. If someone got hammered last night, what did they do? A. Did DIY. B. Drank too much. C. Slept well. D. Went to the gym. The correct answer is B. Drank too much alcohol. I got totally hammered drinking cocktails last night. Well done! How many did you get right? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed the quiz, please like and subscribe. Don't forget to check out my shorts every week to learn more British slang. Thank you for watching. See you next time.